Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to create new account in your Google Meet. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already installed Google Meet app in your device. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Google Meet app. Here I go. At the bottom, you can see sign in option. Tap on that. Tap on continue. Now you have to enter your email address here. After you are done, you can tap on next. Now you have to enter the password of your email ID here. After you are done, you can tap on next. You can see that I have easily created my account in Google Meet. In this way, you can also easily create your account in Google Meet app. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.